So it's that time of the year again. It's my birthday and हर साल की तरह इस साल भी I am getting 3 very talented bakers to bake 3 very impressive birthday cakes for me. अगर आपने ये और ये वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है, let me explain this concept to you. So मेरी टीम के 3 लोग 3 बेकर्स को कांटेक्ट करते हैं with the same budget and the same concept to make me 3 birthday cakes. इस साल का थीम was शिवेश इन अ नटशेल. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों हर वक्त लगने लगता है कि द थीम इज स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ. आई थिंक दैट कुड हैव बीन नाइस ऑल्सो, बट इस साल का थीम है शिवेश इन अ नटशेल एंड दैट्स व्हाट द बेकर्स वर टोल्ड. एंड हर बेकर को बजट मिला ऑफ अबाउट 7,000 to 8,000 रुपीज़. एंड बाय द वे मुझे बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है कि कौन बेकर्स हैं, क्या केक बना है, क्या एलिमेंट्स दिए गए हैं. आई हैव नो क्लू एट ऑल. सो इट्स गोना बी अ बिग सरप्राइज फॉर मी. And it's now time that we see all the 3 cakes and rank them on 3 parameters. We're going to rank them on the basis of taste, attention to detail and creativity. I am clearly very excited, so let's get started. Okay guys, time for cake number 1. Yes, eyes are closed guys. इस टाइम हमें blindfold मिला नहीं है. थोड़ा सा budget constraints हो गए this season. Please don't drop the cake. Okay, खोलूं? I would like to, before I open my eyes, assume that cake का height is this. Oh, books. ये केक है. Oh my God. So all 5 books का एक बहुत ही cute सा stack है. And this is actually looking quite real because I think the dimension and thickness and size of the books is perfect. And then there is, there's a Yoda also. And Prada sunglasses. YouTube का एक square है. There's Instagram, passport. Oh, momos are also there, my favorite. And then there's this pasta जो कि मैंने इटली में खाया था. करेट का क्रॉसॉन है, very nicely detailed, जो मैंने पेरिस में खाया था. And there's a Cosmo award जो कि इतना ज़्यादा cute लग रहा है, बहुत ही nicely detailed है. And then ऊपर there is a canvas, I think, जिसमें मैंने मम्मी और योडा की एक पिक्चर स्टोरी पे डाली थी. वो है योडा थोड़ा सा क्रीपिंग आउट एट दिस पॉइंट बिकॉज इट्स लुकिंग अ लिटिल evil. आई थिंक योडा इज नॉट हैप्पी कि मैं उसको छोड़ के हर साल अपने बर्थडे पे चले जाता हूँ. तो आई थिंक दैट इज बीइंग कम्युनिकेटेड थ्रू दिस केक. बट इट्स अ लिटिल क्रीपी, आई वुड लाइक टू से. बट जो बुक्स का है, ऑनेस्टली इट्स जेन्युइनली लुकिंग लाइक कि रियल बुक्स यहाँ पे रख दिया. आई थिंक दैट पार्ट इज बैंग ऑन. एंड ये वाला अवार्ड भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है. I honestly feel that जो ये छोटे छोटे क्यूट प्लेट्स एंड जो 3D एलिमेंट्स हैं, मुझे वो ज़्यादा क्यूट लग रहे हैं. लाइक दी अवार्ड आई सेड, मोमोज, पास्ता के ऊपर भी पार्मेजान चीज़ का शेविंग है, ट्रफल है. सो ऑल ऑफ दोज डिटेल्स आई फील लाइक इन द 3D वन थोड़े ज़्यादा अच्छे से निकल कर आते हैं. वाइल द बुक्स, आई लव द फैक्ट दैट दीज आर लाइफ साइज. सेम बेकर ने लास्ट ईयर की वीडियो के लिए जापान बेस्ड केक किया था एंड आई जस्ट फेल लाइक दैट हैड मोर 3D एलिमेंट्स एंड ऐसे more heights and more different aspects to it, which I thought was more impressive. But I also love this one. Just Yoda को मैं साइड पे निकाल के रखना चाहता हूँ. Besides that, it's so cute and जो सारे elements हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा thoughtful है and I can genuinely relate to most of the things on this cake. Alright, I am ready for cake number 2. रख दिया. So cute. This is so cute and so compact. Can I just already please say that I think this is my favorite cake already. And I think this is also one of the cutest cake इवन जो ट्रैवल थीम वाला किया था उसमें से भी आई सडनली फील लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ द क्यूटेस्ट केक्स आई हैव एवर सीन. इट इज सो नाइसली डिजाइंड एंड द फैक्ट कि मतलब लाइक द ग्लोब इज सो क्यूट एंड उसके ऊपर इतने सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं. नीचे भी देयर इज लिटरली इतनी सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. This thing, the bracelet that I'm wearing today also, जो मैंने last year birthday पे लिया था, that is there. Again, the book covers are there, very cutely done, छोटे छोटे elements. My bag is there, flight, then a lot of these maps, and ऊपर I'm sitting with Yoda, which is a cute doggy, and Yoda का color is not. I'm obviously like too obsessed with Yoda, but. Colors are not accurate, but the dog is at least cute and not evil, so I love that also. Then there's a trunk, there's luggage, a camera, France का map है, there's a Forbes 30 under 30 which is a little random and not really fitting with the travel theme, but I love it still. Oh, and the colors are all so accurate. Like जो bag का color है, that is literally जो bag का color है. मतलब उसमें इवन 1% का डिफरेंस नहीं है. जो भी सारे कॉस्मो अवार्ड्स हैं सबका कलर इज लिटरली बैंग ऑन. जो ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, पिंक, पर्पल, एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट. देयर इज अ पिज्जा जिसके अगेन डिटेल्स आर वेरी वेरी क्यूट. उसमें स्प्रिंकल्स यूज करे आई थिंक फॉर द बेल पेपर एंड कैप्सिकम एंड देन देयर इज ऑलिव्स ऑल्सो. चीज़ भी ऐसे समहाउ मेल्टी दिखाया है विच इज़ वेरी क्यूट. And then there's also a lot of छोटे cupcakes here and there. This is honestly extremely cute and I love the size also. I love the size and I love the design. It's literally 10 on 10. इसको मेरे को एक्चुअली से मन कर रहा है कि मैं रूम में रख लूँ एज ए शो पीस बिकॉज इट्स सो क्यूट. इसको तो मैं कट नहीं करने वाला हूँ. आई थिंक वेरी क्यूट. ओ ब्लू, बट ब्लू एक सेकेंड, ब्लू तो कोई कॉस्मो अवार्ड नहीं था. I'm only, मतलब it's obviously inconsequential, but I'm only pointing it out because मैं इससे पहले कह रहा था कि colors are all spot on and perfect. But I don't have a blue Cosmo. It's a silver Cosmo which has been made blue here. I think in the creative liberty is absolutely fine. I think वो जो ऊपर का circle है that is silver, तो उन्हें लगा होगा silver on silver may not be that nice. So they've made it blue. But I love it. I just love like ये it's literally a piece of art जैसे लग रहा है. And थोड़ा सा the cake board is also nicely elevated. And जो मेरे भी details है, literally the scarf I know is the scarf that I wore in Kenya जब मैं नायरोबी गया था. And मेरा एक picture है with elephants in the back and I'm wearing the same. मुझे jacket खुद की भी नहीं याद मैंने कौन सी पहनी थी, but I remember the scarf being there in the picture and it's the same scarf. I love that चाहे Yoda का color is white and it's not Yoda का color but the collar is red and Yoda always wears a red collar. So I love all of those details. मेरा hairstyle भी same लग रहा है. It's a little this thing ऊपर. So I love that aspect also. This is just God is in the details. इस केक के जो थर्ड केक है उसका बॉक्स का साइज देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा ही एलैबोरेट यहाँ पे बन चुका है. Let's see. ओ मुझे बहुत यमी सी स्मेल आ रही है for some reason. तुमने रख दिया? खोल लो आंखें. ओ sand. What? What? What is this? This is very unique and very unexpected. मैं नहीं सोच रहा था कि मैं आंखें खोलूंगा ना एक ये क्या है मतलब एक शेल के अंदर एक पर्ल पड़ी मिलेगी. It's a beautifully done cake, but is it Shivesh in a nutshell? अच्छा इसको तोड़ना है. Okay. So right now it's not Shivesh. Oh, it's literally Shivesh in a nutshell. Oh God. What is the wait? Mind is being blown, and I have a feeling that now actually I can relate to a few elements. I feel like this is inspired by the recent Maldives trip because I can see dolphins and मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute dolphins देखी in Maldives, and there's crabs and there's a stingray or an eagle ray जो कि सब कुछ मैंने Maldives में अभी देखा था. And this is actually quite cool and I get to कर दूँ पक्का. Okay, this is actually exciting guys. Oh, and there's elements inside. Guys, concept I think is already winning at. Oh my god, this concept is so cute. It's literally Shivesh in a nutshell. And again, बहुत सारे elements हैं इसके अंदर, which is literally all me. And I can see that there is my एक Naked Wolf का black shoe which I wear all the time. Again, the green Cosmo Award is there, a Prada bag, the Click Clack bracelet is there. Eiffel Tower है जो I think मैंने ही थोड़ा सा शायद तोड़ दिया है. And then there's again Yoda, which is looking a little creepy, I'm sorry to say. I think getting a dog done in fondant may not be the best idea, guys, because I think they end up looking slightly creepy. And then there's obviously my favorite pistachio croissant. And I literally need to take a moment to just... ये कैसे किया है? Oh, अच्छा, it is actually a tiny croissant. Sorry, मुझे लगा कि fondant में किया है. And I was like, the layers are actually looking so nice. But I think they've actually put a real pistachio croissant which looks so cute. And then there is a picture of me with my parents and my sister from our first trip to Paris. So, which is I think a very, very cute element. And there's more, I think. There's more, one second. पीछे एक cute सा cupcake है with a Stroop waffle on it. And then there is also the cover of my book Chocolate. Guys, how cool and impressive is this concept? I'm honestly blown away. And again, all the details are so nicely done. Prada bag के stitching में the stitches are made. जो metal का hook है वो बनाया हुआ है. Everything is so cute. And मेरे shoes भी बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. And I think just Eiffel Tower टूट गया, but rest everything is so cute. Woohoo! Alright guys, I am genuinely so overwhelmed because all three cakes are just so beautiful. And then there's just so many elements जो कि ऐसे cake form में देखे it's making me so happy. And I really feel that everybody, all the three bakers are so talented. And मुझे अभी ऐसे देख के like I keep finding new details. जैसे मैंने अभी realize किया कि Naked Wolf वाले shoes पे actually branding भी हुई हुई है, जो कि मैंने इस तरफ से भी पहली बार देखा है. So literally all the cakes have so much detailing and it's also thoughtful. But if I have to pick one on the basis of attention to detail, I think it has to be the globe cake. Because all the elements are just so nicely done, and again, as I said, the textures and details are immaculate. And if I have to pick one cake on the basis of concept, I think it has to be the seashell nutshell cake, because मुझे पहले देख के लगा था कि oh, okay, and then the fact that you break into it and all the elements are sitting there in a shell on a pearl जो कि नीचे actually cake है. I think the concept of that is incredible. And now we move on to the best part where we actually cut into and taste all the cakes. सबसे पहले मैं ये cut करने वाला हूँ because I'm most excited to eat it, because I've been told that each book is a different flavor of cake, which is impressive. Also, because Yoda is one common element in each of the cakes, can we please talk about Yoda for a minute? I feel like सबसे creepy Yoda is definitely this one, because it looks like Chipkali and Chuha met a dog and Yoda was born. So I think this one has to be the creepiest Yoda, followed by this Yoda. इसमें I know like the baker has tried to do a lot of detailing, which is amazing, but unfortunately वो इतना cutely translate नहीं हुआ है. But this is also closest to the details of Yoda. This one could be any dog, but at least it's a cute dog. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on Yoda in a cake form. Alright, so turns out that सारे flavors are all chocolate, but they're paired with different flavors and different layers. And मैं ये first book को taste कर रहा हूँ because इसके elements look yummy. Very, very good. It's got caramel, and that caramel का layer is delicious. So this one is again a chocolate cake, but it's got a very thin layer of my favorite pistachio and kunafa. Unfortunately, taste के basis पे it's not a bad cake, but I just feel like it feels a little dry, and pistachio kunafa का इतना flavor and texture नहीं आ रहा है. So जितनी मेरी expectations थी, because of the look, slightly underwhelmed on the taste part of it. Alright, so this one looks extremely moist, and I have a good. This is chocolate, hazelnut and Baileys, and like it's actually so moist and so soft. Too good. Taste wise, this one definitely takes the cake, quite literally. Yeah, I'm like, it's soaked in Baileys, and then there's caramelized hazelnuts. Too good, bang on. Alright, so taste के basis पे this one definitely is a clear winner, followed by the book cake and then the globe cake. Honestly, this was so much fun to do, and हर बार ये वीडियो करके मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is such a sweet tradition that I should definitely carry on. मैं तीनों बेकर्स के Instagram डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दूंगा. If you're in Delhi and if you'd like to order from any of the 3 bakers, they're also incredibly talented, so you can check them out. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. इस वीडियो के लिए आपको 1 साल और वेट करना पड़ेगा, but next week I'll be back with another fun video, so stay tuned.